Hello friends, I'm Parvez and this is our 39th video in PyQt5 GUI programming with Python 3. In the last video I have showed you how you can draw a rectangle in PyQt5 by the help of QPainter, and how you can give color by the help of QBrush and QPen. Today I'm going to show you how you can draw an ellipse in PyQt5. Okay, for this I'm going to make a new Python file in here, and I call it Ellipse, drawing ellipse. Like previous video, I'm going to copy my window code and paste in this new file, just because I don't want to write again and again this code I'm going to just change the title to drawing ellipse, and if I run this, you can see now I have a nice window. Okay, we need some imports in here, like previous video, from PyQt5.qt GUI, import QPainter, QBrush and QPen. Also from PyQt5.qt core, import Qt. We are going to define a method from QPainter, that is paint event. It needs two parameters. First one is self and the second one is the event. Okay, I'm going to make a painter object, QPainter self. I'm going to set the pen to my painter, set pen, give it a black pen. I give in this video blue pen. Give the size, for example 8, the size of pen, and also give dot solid line. Solid line, like this. Okay, now the last thing we should draw our ellipse. Painter dot draw ellipse, give a color to ellipse. Oh no, sorry, and here we need to give the x and some the width and height, and also the position, x and y position, 400 and 200. If I run this, this is our code, you can see. And if I run this, I have a problem in here. Let me check this. Painter, QPainter. Let me give this E. Again, no problem. QPainter, painter.setPen. I have imported QPainter, QBrush, QPen. Painter.setPen. Oh, sorry, I think in here I make a mistake. It should be like this: QPen, Qt.blue, 8, Qt.solid line. Okay, now if I run this, yeah, you can see now I have a nice ellipse. Also, let me check this, that if it works if you give another kind of, for example, dash line. Yeah, you can see now it's a dash line. Change this to solid line. If you want to fill this rectangle, also you can do this. You can just simply painter. You can simply set your brush to your painter QBrush. You can give a color to your brush. I give it green, and also Qt.solid pattern. Now if you run this, you can see we have a nice green rectangle, ellipse, sorry. After that, if you want to give like a cross pattern for your ellipse, we have worked this in the previous example, but I do this in this for the ellipse. You can simply write painter.setBrush, QBrush, Qt, give a color, I give it red, and Qt.drag cross pattern. If you run this, we have a nice cross pattern filled ellipse. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel.